dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life was living. I dreamed a love would never die. I pray that God will be forgiving. Then I was young and unafraid, when dreams were made and used and stirred. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers come at night, may their voices softly thunder as they tear your hopes apart, and they turn your dreams to and still I dream he comes to me, that we would live the years together. But there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now life has killed the dream I dreamed. Life has killed the dream I dreamed. Thank you.
Għanaddu għas-sessjoni tal-kantanti bil-lingwi barranin.
Fit-tielet post insejjaħ lil Krista Siġak.